Chapter 5, Family Values. Family values are the core principles and beliefs that a family holds dear, guiding their interactions, decisions, and overall behavior. They often include things like love, respect, honesty, and kindness, and are passed down through generations, shaping individuals and their sense of belonging. Hello, children. Today we are going to learn something very close to our hearts: family values. Let's begin. Role in decision making. In every family, different people have different likes and dislikes. Some like going on trips, some like cooking, some like reading. But when we have to decide something, like where to go for a picnic or what food to make, what do? We talk to each other. We listen to everyone's opinion. And then we make a decision that makes everyone happy. This is called taking decisions together. When everyone gives their opinion, everyone feels important. That's how families stay united. Honesty in public life. Sometimes we make mistakes. That's okay. But what's important is that we must tell the truth. If you break something at home or school, don't hide it. If you forgot to do homework, don't lie. Tell the truth. Say sorry. People will forgive you and they will trust you more. In public places too, we must be honest. Buy tickets in buses and trains. Don't cheat. That's the right thing to do. Cooperation. When we help each other, we finish work faster. In families, we cooperate. We help our parents, brothers, and sisters. In schools, we cooperate during cleaning days, sports day, and other events. Cooperation makes work easier and more fun too. Tolerance. We all are different. Some like drawing, some like singing, some are quiet, some talk a lot. But we must accept and respect others, even if they think or act differently than us. This is called tolerance. India is full of people with different cultures, religions, and languages. Tolerance helps us all live together peacefully. Gender equality. Boys and girls are equal. Both need good food, education, toys, clothes, and love. We must not say only boys can play cricket or only girls can help in the kitchen. Both can do everything. So let's give equal respect and opportunity to everyone, whether they are a boy or a girl. What we have learned? Everyone in the family should take part in decision making. We must always be honest at home and in public. Cooperation makes work easier. Tolerance helps us live peacefully with others. Boys and girls must be treated equally. If we all follow these family values, we will become good citizens and kind human beings.